Oo. Oo. How can... Rapunzel is waiting for you. Oh, whoa. Oh, oh no. Oh, she's gonna kick it. She's gonna kick it. Oh no. Oh, she's gonna kick it. No, no. May pasok na bukas eh, kaya chore. Sige, sige. I-push na. Hindi na naman tayo makapag ano kay Jelana. Stop touching it.
We'll take it off. No, because we can't. That's too high. We can't find any more square.
Not too high.
No square. Oh, there's an X there. Yeah. Auntie, dog. Now you have to take that back. I put it back already. Give me the.
Do the basketball now.
1, 2, 3.
How many more? How many more were missing? Did you put also we need more magna tiles?
Yeah.
Okay. Tomorrow, yeah. Auntie Dong is gonna go to buy more of that. Baka pwede na yun, kahit na 12 hours pa. Yung razor blade. Pwede na yun siguro. Charge lang naman yun. Try natin maya-maya.
Give me that.
Oh, oh, oh! Don't, Jelana, don't kick it. Don't. No.
Whoa.
Be careful.
Let's take it out first.
Yeah, maybe.
This one.
Yeah. It hot.
Don't kick it.
Do a cartwheel right by it.
Yeah.
No.
Oh, oh. 1, 2, 3, go. Whoa. 1, 2, 3, go. Whoa.
Oh yeah.
And then we put the house on top. So first we cover it.
Yeah.
And then you put the square.
Dada. Huh?
Go, go, go. Popcorn.
I want to go here.
No, go na!
Jelana.
I just can't.
It's hanging. Right there.
Hello, Isa. Yeah, say hi, Isa. Now you can do the square, Jelana. Put a square now.
Here you go, Jelana.
Put a square now. So you have your castle. Put the castle now. Oh! You put the castle now. Ate Dong is putting the castle.
Donna, look. Come look at this one.